Sairam children, today we will do social studies lesson number 3, government. You must have come across the word government in newspapers, radios and TV. What is government? What functions does it perform? And what is the importance in our lives? We will study in this lesson. You must be aware that a country needs a government to make laws as per the constitution. Do you know what is constitution? Constitution is written rules and regulations for the country. For example, when we got independence in 1947, at that time our constitution was written. And how it was written? By the constitution of different countries was collected, and from that the best points were taken and written, and it is a handwritten document. As per the constitution, take decision and implement them. Implement means put into practice. For example, where should schools and roads be constructed? Should the rates of different commodities be increased or decreased? How to ensure that electricity is supplied to everyone? Decisions such as these are taken by the government. So where to build schools, colleges, then roads, having a metro city, all these metro trains, all these decisions are taken by the government. Thus, the government performs a very important function. We come to know about the government's work through media. Media means newspaper, television, radio. Functions of the government. The government is like a managing committee. That is, they sit together and they make the decision. Usually in a democracy, the government works as per the wishes of the people. It functions according to the wish of the people and for their welfare. The government also takes various steps to solve economic and social problems of the people. It is concerned about the nation's economic condition and problems of poverty. So there are various issues, problems faced by the country. So each and every problem is looked after by the government. Poverty. Poverty means very, very poor. Do not have one square meal per day. That is, even once if the person is not getting enough food to fill the stomach, that person is poor. Unemployment, no work. No work, so no money. Literacy, education. Health, good health and bad health. It also provides various facilities like making low price food grains available through ration shops. So ration shops are there through which they give ration, that is rice, dal, oil, sugar, tea. All this is sold at very reasonable price. Assistance during disasters and calamities. Establishing educational institutions and hospitals, and runs service like transport, judiciary, post and telegraph, railways, etc. The government also maintains friendly relation with other countries. Importance of the government. The government is necessary to ensure that the law is same for everyone. So, the law remains the same for each and every human being. It frames laws and sees that it is implemented by the concerned authorities and the police. A very important function of the government is to make rules and regulations whenever there is a public gathering. When the people gather, for that also certain rules and regulations have to be followed. The government thus plays a vital or important role in maintaining law, order and peace. Peace means shanti, and also ensures the development of the nation. So the government has an important role of maintaining law, order and peace in the country. The government at different levels. The government is responsible for providing various facilities in different fields. How does the government arrange for all this? India is a vast country. Vast means huge. If administration was centralized, many problems would arise and cause inconvenience to the citizens will be inconvenienced. So, because of the problems, inconvenience means problem, creating a problem. Suppose, for example, you go to school, when it rains, it causes inconvenience to you. Your rickshaw doesn't come, your bus doesn't come, your van doesn't come. So, you are inconvenienced, means creating a problem. Therefore, our government works at different levels: local level, state level, national level. Local level government is concerned with the affairs of the villages and the cities. So local level means only village and the city is looked after. State level government looks after the welfare of the state, while the government at national level is responsible for work related to the entire nation. So local level government, state level government and national level government. National is responsible for work related to the entire nation. You have already studied about the local level and will learn about the state government in the next unit. In the next class, you will learn about the national government. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.